Chatbots have gained significant traction and importance in various industries due to the many benefits that they offer. For example, in 24/7 customer service, given that chatbots provide constant availability, they allow businesses to offer 24/7 customer service and support without having to staff human agents around the clock. Also, deploying a chatbot is often more cost effective than employing a large customer service team, especially for repetitive tasks or common inquiries. And chatbots can handle multiple queries at once, ensuring that a large volume of user inquiries can be addressed simultaneously, as well as being able to provide immediate answer to user questions, enhancing the user experience. Also, chatbots provide consistent responses every time, which ensures a standardized level of service. Chatbots are great for data collection. You can use them to get information from your users or your customers, bypassing the need to get a human to record the data. And this can be done in multiple languages, which facilitates global reach. Additionally, advanced chatbots with machine learning capabilities can learn from user interactions to refine their responses over time. But chatbots are not the answer to everything. There are some limitations. Chatbots can't entirely replace humans, especially for complex or sensitive issues. Humans still make a difference. Having said that, let me show you how to build a chatbot.